Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by downloading the Debian 12 AMD64 NetInst ISO, which is roughly 350 MB, and verify the SHA 256 checksum to ensure file integrity. Prepare a bootable USB using Rufus on Windows or DD on Linux, selecting the ISO and the correct target device. Confirm the install target has at least 20 GB free disk space and a minimum of 2 GB RAM for a basic desktop. Backup any important files from the machine you will overwrite. Boot the machine from the USB drive and choose Graphical Install. Select Language, Locale, and Keyboard Layout during prompts. When partitioning, choose Guided Use Entire Disk. Opt for LVM if you plan snapshots or flexible resizing, and allocate about 20 GB to root with a 2 GB swap partition for systems with around 4 GB RAM. Set a strong root password and create a regular user with sudo privileges. Configure network via DHCP or enter static IP, gateway, and DNS information if required. After first boot, open a terminal and run apt update, apt upgrade Y to apply security patches and updates. If you need proprietary drivers, add contrib non-free to /etc/apt/sources. List, run apt update again, and install packages like firmware AMD graphics or firmware Wi-Fi. Install OpenServer and sudo, then install your desktop environment of choice, such as GNOME or XFCE. Enable systemd timesynced for accurate time. Finally, enable basic firewall rules with UFWA enable and UFWA allow SSH. Then reboot to verify drivers and services load correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.